Hello everyone, it's KB here and you're watching KB Editing Zone. So today in this video we are going to create two text effects in KineMaster. So without any delay, let's have a preview. So now let's learn how to create this both text animation in KineMaster. So for our first text animation, open your KineMaster application and now create a new project. So you can choose any ratio you like and add a black background. So after adding the background, go to the layer option and add your text. After adding your text, choose the font as you like. So I am choosing the handwriting font here. So now increase the size of your text. So after that, scroll down and find the text option. So now you can increase the character value from here. So you can see on the T, some part of the T is cut out. So edit the text and go to the first part of the text and leave some spacing. So now your text will be alright. So you can adjust the text in the proper position. Now go to the capture option and capture and add the image as layer. So you can delete the text now. Now fade the image to screen. So after that, go to the layer option and handwriting option. Now choose any color you like. Now choose the brush size and brush. So after that, draw like this. So now you can change another color and draw randomly. So now let's change another color and draw again. So in this way you have to draw again and again till you cover the whole part of the text. So now I will choose the last color. And draw over the some left part of the text. Now select the capture image and go to 3 dot and bring the image to front. So after that, scroll down and find the blending option. And you can choose the blending mode to multiply. Or you can also choose as darken or color bond. So I will choose multiply for now. Now select the handwriting layer and go to the in animation and choose in animation. So you can choose any of these two animation and you can decrease the speed of the animation. So now let's choose out animation. Go to the out animation and choose any out animation from these two. So now our text animation is ready, so let's have a preview. So for our second animation, start by adding a black background. So now select the background and go to the clip graphics option and choose gradient effect clip graphics. You can choose any gradient effect as you like. So for now I will choose the first one. So now on the text option, so add a dot and click OK, and you can change the text color if you like. Now let's see how to download this effect. So to download this effect, go to your store and you can find the stylish section and scroll down and you will find the gradient effect. So click on that and install this effect. So now export this video. So after exporting, you can delete this background and add a new black background. So after that, go to the layer option and add a new text layer. Now go to the font option and choose the font as you like. So after that, increase the size of the text and you can go to the text option to increase the character value. So now select the text and choose the text color to black. So now scroll down and find the outline option and enable this option and choose the color to white and keep the weight value to 5 or 6. So now go to the capture option and capture and save the image. So after saving the image, bring the text to the original form. So now go to the layer option and add the gradient background that we created before. So you can adjust the background according to the text. And now you can go to the blending option and choose the blending option to multiply, or you can also choose the blending option to darken. So now let's add animation to our text. So select the text layer and go to in animation and choose in animation as fade. So you can increase the speed of the animation if you like. So now go to the out animation and similarly choose out animation as fade. So now after adding animation, go to the layer option and add the capture image. So now you scroll down and find the blending option and choose the blending option to screen. So now select the image and you can go to this option and feed the image to screen, or you can also feed it manually. So you can place this image in any position as you like to give a cool effect. So for now I will feed this into screen. So let's animate our captured image. So choose same animation as text layer for this. And remember to keep the same speed. So now our second animation is also ready. So let's have a preview.